MyoHoRenGeKyo. NaMu MyoHoRenGeKyo, NaMu. Hi, everyone. How are you? I hope you're in good shape today. Good health, secure. This will be a quickie here. Actually, the only reason this word is in the Buddhist reference is because, well, we run into it quite a lot throughout all of translated Buddhist literature and sutras and teachings and so forth. Homage, or some would say homage. Yeah, you can look that up in any dictionary. But again, this being a Buddhist reference manual, hopefully I give you a clue as to how that word is incorporated in our scholarship of Buddhist teaching. Homage. Interesting. Noun, formal acknowledgement by a vassal of allegiance to his lord under feudal law. Interesting root, and completely in accord with certainly our study of Nichiren's doctrine, being in the medieval age of the shogunate, a feudal governance, if you will. Special honor or respect shown or expressed publicly, a possible synonym, honor. Something created or done in honor, admiration, or celebration of someone or something. An example given here is the concert was an homage to jazz of the 1930s. An American Heritage Dictionary of the English Language, 5th edition, is where all of that came from. And I make a note beneath that. In our modern practice of Lotus Sutra Buddhism, the exhortation from Shakyamuni echoed by Nichiren is to single-mindedly contemplate Buddha, yes? This ancient word indicated an act by one person toward the presence and status of another person. In the Lotus Sutra Buddhism, the invocation of NaMu MyoHoRenGeKyo is an homage of respect and dedication to our Buddha mind. Always remember that the teaching of the Dharma is the teaching about experience, and that this experience occurs only in the mind. So it is our attitude to honor the maximal expression of our potential, and it is our intent to establish this Buddha nature immediately. So there you have it. What will be the next term? I'm keen to discover. Invoke or invocation. That's appropriate. So without further ado, I will proceed to make that quick podcast. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your support. Even if all you can do right now is like and subscribe, it feeds the YouTube algorithm. And by the way, speaking of feeding, I'm struggling with Google and YouTube. YouTube, more to the point, has gone commercial crazy. And my gosh, I can hardly watch a video without trying to skip out of commercials. And some of my favorite video YouTube producers who have long-form content have these huge commercial breaks that you can't skip. And I end up not watching the videos. So I'm concerned. And if any of you will let me know in the comments because I don't sit and rewatch my own videos on YouTube. But I know there are commercial interruptions from time to time. But is it getting to the point where you just go, screw it, I'll do something else because the commercials are so occupying of our study space? If that's the case, I'm seriously considering demonetizing my own videos so that we don't have all those commercial interruptions, because I don't want that to be an obstacle to your practice. And the truth is, our channel here isn't of the size where the trickle of pennies on the week that I get from commercializing or what's the word I'm looking for? Anyway, having commercials on these videos. I've struggled with it from the start, but now that it's gotten really incredibly invasive, I really think I'm going to stop. And that means I'm relying more on your support, liking and subscribing, buying ebooks and print books, buying mandalas, buying or Patreon. You'll notice on Patreon I've started enforcing that you have to be a member on Patreon to at least $1 a month. And all the free stuff is still on threefoldlotus.com. I'll never change that. Let me know your thoughts on this. I'm thinking even if I don't hear from you, I'll probably end the monetization. Anyway, thank you for listening. Don't let the commercials get in your way. And if they have, I want to hear from you, because I'd like to have those comments to throw in YouTube's face. I can't afford to put obstacles in your practice. That's just not what we're about. So thank you again for your support, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.